The question here is technique everything? Well, it is part of it, but if you don't have the right makeup, it doesn't matter how good your technique is, your makeup's going to smudge. So, let me introduce Amaterasu 24-hour eye pencil. So this eye pencil was created because everything smudges on me, and I just couldn't keep an eyeliner on for more than, I would say, 45 minutes, and then I'll start smudging, sometimes even quicker, depending on how warm the day is. Now let me show you this really quick technique to transform your day look to evening by just applying on the outer corner of your eyes. So all you're really doing is applying it on the outer corner, and it took 5 seconds. Now, the one thing that's amazing about this formula is it will not smudge. So, how do you remove it? Oil-based remover. It could be an oil-based makeup remover as well as any cream cleanser that will remove this eye pencil beautifully. Other than that, it's waterproof, it's sweat-proof, it's actually a 24-hour formula.